Well, after a long day of driving, met up here with old Lewis. We're gonna go find a bear in the morning. So right now he's getting me a fork because I brought everything on this trip except a fork to eat my food with. I'm gonna get some grub, get a bite to eat. And I think Lewis is just, you're crashing out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Lewis is gonna just crash out, so. Opening day tomorrow. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready as we can be in an August bear hunt. Dead bear, baby! Let's go! You smoked it! Alright, so Lewis just picked up first bear of the trip. It's a nice dark chocolate bear. We're just gonna watch him, see what he does. Kind of look for other bears, see if we can find one a little, well, not necessarily bigger, but maybe a little bit easier to get to, because he is in a horrible spot. So, just gonna get some video of him and check him out a little longer and see if we can't find something else. Alright, evening of day 2. Just walking up to the glassing point. I look down, I spot a bear. He's just hanging out feeding in this opening. I don't know what we're gonna do with it, but gonna keep our eyes on it. I don't know, Lewis, is that something you want to shoot?
You need to shoot that if that's what you're gonna do.
Alright, so I passed on him, but Lewis is gonna take this bear, so he's getting all set up right now. We're gonna hone in on him, wait for a break in the wind, and attempt a shot.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
There you go.
You smoked him.
Did he hit the dirt?
No, you smoked him.
Did he go straight down?
I'm trying to see. I'm trying to get a range on where he went, but he just went into thick cover. You hit him good. Looked like a good shot.
I guess I don't know where in there it is, you know.
You smoked that bear, dude. You hit it. You hit him right there. He hunched up and he kind of walked and he was like dazed. It was weird. And then he just went down into that cut and I lost sight of him.
So you think he's right there?
I think he's right in that cut and I think he's deader than the doornail. You smoked him, dude. Okay, we watched the shot footage. Looks like a solid hit. I'm gonna bail off the cliff and I'm gonna get to him first before dark and just put our hands on him, get him found, And then Lewis is gonna follow up. He's gonna take my truck to the other side of the canyon, hike down to me. All right, I made it up this, right up there. Yeah, that was a pain. Whew. But made it to the bottom. I'm gonna go right up this hill, right here. Go to where the shot point was, and trail from there. So, pistols out, guards up. Now bear hunting gets fun. Alrighty, big bear down. Big bear down. Look at this. Look at this freaking head on that thing. Look at that. That is a brute of a bear.